లక్ష్యం మీదైతే దానిని అందించడమే విమ్స్ లక్ష్యం.
Hi, very good morning to all. Welcome to WIMS YouTube channel. My name is Dr. G.K. Naidu, a senior faculty in General Studies in Andhra Pradesh. Today we will discuss about very latest current events which related to our country as well as international issues. Okay, current events are playing an important role, and at the same time the coming competitive exams are giving more priority to current events. In every exam the examiner is giving priority to current events. Current event questions are appeared in all exams up to 16 to 20 marks, so that this current event is playing a crucial role to decide the winner. Okay, apart from these important current events, today we will discuss about the first current event, that is Sri Ram Janaki Yatra. Okay, it's a name of the train which was introduced by Ashwini Vaishnav, the present Minister of Indian Railways. This train is running between Ayodhya to Janakipuram. The Janakipur place is in Nepal, Ayodhya is in UP. Okay, Ayodhya is the birthplace of Lord Rama, whereas Janakipur is the birthplace of Sita. So that the main purpose of this train is to attract the Hindu devotees who worshipped and who believed the philosophy of Lord Rama. In this way, the maximum number of Hindu devotees who worshipped and believed the philosophy of Lord Rama, those people will have more interest to go for Janakipur. Okay, it is also one of the Hindu pilgrim place and a holy place where Sita was born. Okay, then the next topic in our current event is Gandhamardhana Hills. Gandhamardhana Hills. These hills are in Orissa state. These hills are very beautiful, having more greenery, so that the government of Orissa developed these hills and considered these hills as a biosphere reserve heritage site of our country, so that the government of Orissa under the chief ministership of Naveen Patnaik developed these areas and considered these areas as the best Indian biosphere reserve heritage site. Previously, the government of Andhra Pradesh also announced openly to develop Papi Hills, which located between East Godavari and West Godavari district, and these Papi Hills are ready to develop as a biosphere reserve park in our country. And at the same time, previously the government of Tamil Nadu also developed Blue Mountains as one of the best biosphere reserve park. In sometimes the examiner is asking which biosphere reserve park was recently developed by the government of India and the Minister of Indian Tourism, that is Mardana Hills, which are in Orissa. This is very important. Okay, then coming to next current event is Constitution Park in Rajasthan. This is also very latest issue, and it's an historical park, and the park which is famous for the Indian Constitution. This park was recently inaugurated by Draupadi Murmu, Honorable President of India, and Kalraj Mishra, the present governor of Rajasthan, as well as Ashok Gehlot, the chief minister of Orissa. All these people combinedly inaugurated the Constitutional Park at Jaipur, which is in Rajasthan. So in this inauguration, the delegates described the importance of this park. In this park, when you enter into the park, then you can read the first page of Constitution, and if you are moving towards front, then you can read another page, second page, and the third page and fourth place. In this way, the entire Constitution was there in that park, from preface to the last page of Indian Constitution. If any competitive aspirant, if he wants to know about the Constitution of India, when he visited this park, then automatically his doubts will be cleared. This is the first constitutional park in our country which was introduced by the government of India. It's very important. Okay, which was written by Dr. Babu Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar. The next topic is Patasri Rastasri. Look at the picture, Patasri and Rastasri. It's a new public welfare program which was introduced by Mamata Banerjee, the present Chief Minister of West Bengal. The main purpose of this program is to interlink the Panchayati roads to the state roads, as well as to link the Panchayati roads into national highways. To maintain connectivity from Panchayati roads to national highways, for providing better road and transport facilities in West Bengal. So the state West Bengal is completely based on mountain slopes and hill areas, so that in some rural areas the concrete roads and metal roads and cement roads are very less. So that this was recognized by the Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee. Later she decided to develop all those rural areas with spacious cement roads. Apart from this, she announced a special program called Patasri and Rastasri for providing better road and transport facilities in West Bengal. So in this regard, the examiner may ask which state government recently launched Patasri and Rastasri program. The answer is West Bengal. This was officially launched by the Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee. The next important current event is War and Women. It's a latest book which was written by M.A. Hasan, a great writer. In this book, he described the crime rate and the sexual abuse of women in Bangladesh. In this book, he strictly described the women who faced more problems during the period of Indo-Pak War or when Bangladesh got independence from Pakistan. That is during the period of Bangladesh liberalization. So in this book, the author clearly mentioned the problems of Bangladesh people in those particular days. It's a very latest book which was written by M.A. Hassan. In these type of questions are also frequently asked by the examiner, and one question is asked by the examiner which related to books and authors. So that this is very important current event in these days. Okay, it's very important. Then coming to another topic, M.V. Ganga Vilas. M.V. Ganga Vilas is a ship which was inaugurated by Narendra Modi at Varanasi. This ship is moving from Varanasi to Dubrigar, which is in Assam, which means the ship is sailing from Varanasi to Dubrigar, which is in Assam. This is the largest ship which is sailing on the river, and this ship is sailing along with the river Ganga as well as in Brahmaputra. In Assam, the river Brahmaputra is there. So that the ship M.V. Ganga is moving slowly from Varanasi to Bihar and from Bihar to West Bengal. When it entered into Bihar, the tourists will visit the Patna, that is the capital of Bihar. Again this ship moves towards West Bengal. After crossing West Bengal, this ship will turn towards Bangladesh. And after Bangladesh, again it entered into towards Assam. At last it will reach Dubrigar, which is in Assam. That is the ending point. Again this ship returned from Dubrigar to towards Varanasi. Okay, so this is a new ship which was inaugurated by Narendra Modi at Varanasi. In this ship, 36 travelers are traveling along with the river Ganga. At last they will reach the place Dubrigar. Okay, it is a familiar, fantastic journey for the tourists as well as newly married couples. Okay, so this ship is very, very comfortable and it will provide more happiness to the senior citizens and the tourists of our country as well as the tourists of foreign countries. In this way, the government of India will earn maximum foreign revenue by introducing this ship. So it is also very important and latest current issue which was announced by the government of India. This ship is moving from Varanasi to Dubrigar. The length between Varanasi to Dubrigar is 3,200 kilometers. 3,200 kilometers of length, and this ship is taking 51 days to reach from Varanasi to Dubrigar. It's nothing but a tourist ship. The ship is having three-storied like a building, like a three-storied building. Okay, and at the same time 18 suites are there in this ship. 18 suites means 18 comfortable rooms are there in that ship. So the tourists will enjoy the beauty of the river Ganga as well as Brahmaputra, as well as in Bangladesh, Meghna and Jamuna rivers are also merging at Bangladesh, and the tourists will see and enjoy the beauty of all those rivers in Bangladesh as well as in Assam as well as in our country. This ship is very, very important to all the tourists who wants to visit the places from Uttar Pradesh to Bihar, and from Bihar to West Bengal, and from West Bengal to Bangladesh and Assam. It's very important. Okay, this is about MV Ganga Vilas. Okay, in the next class we will discuss about the coming updated current events, which are very, very useful for the students who are preparing for all competitive exams. Thank you. Jai Hind.